Authorities in Arkadelphia say they averted a tragedy at the Clark County Jail last week. More than 24 inmates were hospitalized with carbon monoxide poisoning. The Clark County Sheriff telling KRK4's Kayla Reardon how they discovered the problem and what they're doing now.
It is a very scary thing that happened.
Clark County Sheriff Jason Watson says they're still searching for answers after 29 inmates and 2 employees were taken to the hospital for carbon monoxide poisoning.
That we had multiple inmates that were experiencing nausea, lightheadedness, along with 2 of my employees that were assigned working in the jail that night.
Sheriff Watson says they first noticed a problem when the jailers were doing a medicine call before bed Thursday night.
You cannot smell it, it sneaks up on you, so you cannot really detect it.
Mamdou Attia has worked in heating and air for 25 years. He says carbon monoxide detectors are a must.
It's cheap and you can put it up there and they detect the carbon monoxide.
Sheriff Watson says no alarms or detectors went off as a warning. He says the state health department sent an inspector and they're working with several agencies to figure out what went wrong with the system and how to prevent anything like this from happening again. For now, he's just glad everyone was okay.
I personally believe it could have been a lot worse.
That was Caitlin Reardon reporting. The inmates and employees were treated and released from the hospital. All the inmates are being housed in other facilities for